And today is upgrading really old doorknobs that don't match throughout the house. We got shiny brass and dull brass and yellow and all kinds of ugly things.
Yeah, and this one here, the lock knob's all goofy on it too.
Ooh. Not that we're superstitious, but we have a Kwikset Halifax.
That we got off of Amazon that wasn't listed as a Halifax and clearly is not in retail packaging.
So it was listed as Rose something.
Yeah,
but it is the Halifax handle.
Yes, it says it
on the box. On the box it says it. So yes, Halifax matte black. That's the one I wanted.
So I am going to figure out. I don't have my little pokey pointy thingy.
What pointy thing?
To take this off.
Why do you want to take it off? Don't you need it?
I was gonna just go with what's on there. Yeah. Now they want me to take this apart.
Okay, so you're gonna like read directions?
Probably.
All right, I'll be back shortly. Okay, you read the directions.
Yeah, I read the directions, which is has got this little thing here. And it's kind of unclear, but what you do is you put your screwdriver between the two. It pops this part off of there. Then this part can slide backwards.
Okay. And
be usable later. Let me find the little round part. And that way. Little notch right there for that.
Okay.
On that.
Matches up.
I had it wrong the first time.
Okay.
Big surprise. And then those snap in there. And then it goes in here. Like that. The longer one.
Two choices.
Yeah, you can adjust.
Okay.
That looks better. So that this is adjustable for two different spacings. So now it actually.
Okay, really help if you quit moving
yes,
around.
I'm trying to show you that there. So that's in the middle now, like that. And then this guy goes on like that. And we can put the screws in.
And that little button is a privacy lock.
I hope so.
Because that's what it said on the box.
That's what it's supposed to be. So
okay.
I think that's it. We're going to tighten these screws and give it a whirl here in a second.
I sure like the look of that one much better than the one that was on there.
Yeah.
I do.
I'm going to agree with you on that one.
Okay.
And you and I tend to not have a lot of agreement sometimes.
Yeah. Totally different views and tastes.
So push the button, you can't do it, but from the inside you just move that and it
And you
opens.
can. Okay.
So,
Cool.
well, a couple of things here.
Uh-oh, I just hit your desk. I bumped your desk going down.
So for one thing, the top of this door is messed up because the trim piece was screwed up and wasn't nailed in the corner, so it was bowed out this way and it has impacted the door.
Oh.
I recently nailed that up there, but it makes the door not latch. So now when I put the
Little plate.
that guy on over here, I will work with it to make it fit better. So that you don't have to lean against the
That'd
door
be
to close
nice.
it.
That would be nice.
You have a pencil? Means I need to go find the chisel.
Okay.
You know what a smart person would have done when they grabbed the chisel?
Uh-uh.
They grabbed the razor knife too.
Oh.
Bye-bye.
Bye. That's better. Except for the wiggling you're doing. Why are you wiggling it all around?
Well, because the bottom's hitting but the top's not, because, yeah. So,
Because it's a crooked house?
It's a crooked house and the door is crooked and put in crooked and it's not great and all of that.
Pick one.
So this is an interior door, and for now, I think if you put a little piece of felt down there on the bottom, when you do that, it will be nice and quiet. So that when I go out in the morning, it will be just great.
Oh, cool.
And it won't wake you up. But that's
Okay. All right, let me finish this part. Thanks for watching.